The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Christmas is not only about celebrations, it is also about divinity, goodness and values. 10 commandments in the Holy Bible. Each one teaches a value. Let's see what commandments teach us. Love God more than you love anything. It's love. Don't make anything in your life more important than God. It's loyalty. Always say God's name with love and respect. It's respect. Honor God by resting on the 7th day of the week. It's gratitude. Love and respect your parents. It's commitment. Don't hurt anyone. It's equality. Always be faithful in your relationships. It's trust. Don't take anything that is not yours. It's contentment. Always tell the truth. It's honesty. Don't wish for other people's stuff. It's selflessness. These values make us a good human being. That is what Christmas is all about. Merry Christmas to all.
Hello my dears, what's new with you? Hope all of you are doing great. Children, we are into a new innovative venture. Can you guess what it is? All of you are aware of our Parents Kalolsavam Paka, isn't it? Really, it's going on with the true spirit of our Kalolsavam. We are getting the same feeling of our school Kalolsavam. But the one and only difference is that instead of you, your parents are here. They are also very happy and excited. We can witness the thrilling moments of our Paka. May this endeavor flourish and reach great heights. We keep on proving that we are different, right? I thank all the participants, our lovely and creative parents, from the bottom of my heart. Well, today we are going to learn a new interesting chapter, that is chapter number 5, Money Maths. Have you ever been into a bank, children, with your parents? If not, try to visit a bank after this pandemic situation and understand the deposit schemes. Okay? Let me explain with the help of an example. Here, Abhijit deposited rupees 1000 in a bank. How much rupees? Rupees 1000. So the money we deposited in a bank, this is called principal. What is this? Principal amount is equal to rupees 1000. This is same as school principal spelling, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, okay, not P-L-E. So the principal amount is rupees 1000. Rate of interest is equal to 10%. What is this? PERCENT, percent. That means divided by 100, 10 by 100. Okay, and then time is equal to 2 years. Okay, so principal amount he deposited, Abhijit deposited rupees 1000 and the rate of interest is 10%. That means each year he will get 10% of 1000 rupees extra, and then time is equal to 2 years. For 2 years he deposited. Okay, so after 2 years he got amount is equal to, after 2 years he got rupees 1200. Okay, and then Anushree also deposited. Anushree also deposited. Principal amount is equal to rupees 1000. She also deposited the same amount, rupees 1000. And then the rate of interest is equal to same 10%. And then time is equal to 2 years. And then amount she got after 2 years is equal to, after 2 years Abhijit got rupees 1200 and Anushree got rupees 1210. What is the difference? This is 10 rupees extra, right? Do you know what is the reason behind that, children? Here, after 1 year, Anushree withdrew her amount and then redeposited. That means after 1 year, how much she got? 1000 into 10 by 100 is equal to, 10 into 10 is equal to rupees 100. Then she redeposited, that is already her principal amount is rupees 1000, right? So amount is equal to principal plus this principal plus interest. This is interest, principal plus interest is equal to 1000 plus 100 is equal to 1100. So rupees 1100. Then she redeposited this 1100, right? So again interest is equal to, so the new principal amount will be 1100. So 1100 into same rate 10 divided by 100. So 11 into 10 is equal to rupees 110. Then total amount he got after 2 years is equal to this amount plus this one. So before, after 1 year she got 1100 plus new interest is equal to 110. That is second year's interest is equal to 110. So at the end of 2 years, Anushree got rupees 1100 plus rupees 110 is equal to rupees 1210. Rupees 1210. Children, there is one simple formula also there to find out this. You studied in the last year, right? But there is no formula there, right? In our textbook there is no formula, but those who came from CBSE, they might have learned this. So the formula is simple interest is equal to P into, that is principal, into R, rate of interest, into time T divided by 100. From where did you get this 100? Rate of interest means what? 10% means 10 by 100, right? So, here this rate, that is only this 10 we will write here, and then percent, cent means 100. So, divided by 100. Okay. So, here Abhijit's simple interest we can calculate. How did he get this? So, principal is equal to 1000 into rate of interest is equal to 10 by 100 also, percent by 100 also there, into time period is equal to 2 divided by this 100, percent 100 is equal to 2 0 cancel, 2 0 cancel, then 10 into 10 100, 100 into 2 200. Okay, simple interest is equal to 200 rupees. So, amount is equal to amount after 2 years, amount after 2 years equal to principal plus interest, principal plus interest, that is simple interest, principal plus interest is equal to 1000 plus 200, 1000 plus 200 is equal to rupees 1200. Okay, is this clear, children? Here also the same formula only, P into R into T, time period. If it is 1 year, she withdrew after 1 year, right? That's why we didn't write that time here. 1 into 1 only you will get. So, into 1 is equal to that same number only, right? So, what is the formula, children? Simple interest is equal to PRT divided by 100. Simple interest, what is the formula? Simple interest is equal to PRT divided by 100, that is P into R into T by 100. So, simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. How do you remember this, children? There is one code word, right? My name is Princey and I am your teacher, right? So, Princey teacher by 100. Simple interest is equal to Princey teacher by 100. So, PRT by 100. Okay. Children, take page number 100. 3 questions are there. First question, Sandeep deposited 25,000 rupees in a bank which pays 8% interest compounded annually. How much would he get back after 2 years? This is the question. So, in the previous example, we learned that Abhijit deposited in simple interest scheme and Anushree deposited in a different scheme, right? That is, she withdrew her amount after 1 year and then redeposited, right? In the previous example, what was the main difference, children? Anushree withdrew her amount after 1 year and she redeposited. That type is called compound interest. And what about Abhijit? Abhijit deposited in simple interest scheme. Okay, and Anushree's is compound interest. Okay, without withdrawing, actually we can renew our account. Okay, no need to go to bank and withdraw the amount. Now we can just renew our account. Okay, so here Abhijit's was simple interest and Anushree's was compound interest. That means she withdrew her amount and then she redeposited, right? That is why it is compounded annually. Okay, and then the question is how much would he get back after 2 years? Here the question is compounded annually. So, how to do this, children? Here, how Anushree did, like that we have to do. So, principal amount is 25,000 rupees. So, you have to write P is equal to 25,000 rupees and then rate of interest is equal to 8%. Then how much would he get back after 2 years? But here this is not simple interest, this is compound interest. right? So, you have to add the principal and interest after 1 year, then again redeposit and then calculate and then apply that formula I is equal to PRT by 100, okay. And then again you add that new principal amount plus that interest. So, you will get that. Here Anushree calculated like that. So, you have to do like that, okay. So, that first question is homework. And now second question. Thomas took out a loan of 15,000 rupees from a bank which charges 12% interest. Children, what is this loan? In the previous question, Sandeep deposited. That means he deposited to the bank. And here Thomas took out a loan. That means he borrowed from the bank. Thomas took out a loan of 15,000 rupees from a bank which charges 12% interest. So, here principal amount is equal to 15,000 rupees and rate of interest is equal to 12%. This also compounded annually. Then after 2 years he paid back 10,000 rupees. To settle the loan, how much should he pay at the end of 3 years? So, let us see how to do this. So, here principal amount is equal to rupees 15,000 and then rate of interest is equal to 12%. That means 12 by 100 compounded annually. So, after 2 years he paid back 10,000 rupees. So, here after 2 years, so 2 times we have to calculate, then only we will get compound interest, right. So, what is the formula? Simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. PRT by 100. So, is equal to what is the principal here? 15,000 into rate of interest 12. And what about the time, children? Compound interest only, right. So, time is equal to 1. So, no need to write here 1. If you want to write, you can write time is equal to 1. So, here 1, but it is not compulsory if you are doing compound interest by 100, this 100. Then cancel this 0, 150 into 12. What is 150 into 12? 150 into 12, 2 5s are 10. 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 1,800. 1,800. What is this 1,800, children? Interest. Only interest is 1,800. Now, he is redeposited, right? That means amount. First, you have to find out this principal plus interest. So, amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to 15,000 plus 1,800. So, here 0, 0, 8, 6, 1, 16,800. Then for the second year he redeposited this principal. So, what is the new principal? New principal is equal to rupees 16,800, but the rate and time are same only. So, new interest is equal to PRT by 100, P into R into T by 100 is equal to what is P? 16,800 into, there is no change in rate and time. So, 12 into 1 divided by 100. 168 into 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 into 8, 1 into 6 equal to 6, 1 into 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10, balance 1, so 2016. So, second year's principal is equal to 2016. Second year's principal is equal to 2016. Amount he paid back after 2 years is equal to 10,000 rupees. Amount paid back after 2 years. Amount paid back after 2 years is equal to, how much he paid back after 2 years, children? Rupees 10,000. Rupees 10,000. Amount paid back after 2 years equal to rupees 10,000. So, what is the question? To settle the loan, how much should he pay at the end of 3 years? So, we have to find out the third year's principal first. Third year's principal. Third year's principal is equal to, how to find out the third year's principal? Third year's principal is equal to, what is the second year's principal? That is 16,800 plus second year's interest is equal to 2016. So, 18,816. But he paid back after 2 years rupees 10,000. He paid back that. So, we have to subtract this 10,000 from this. So, 8,816. So, third year principal is 8,816. So, what is the question? Amount to be paid after 3 years. That means we have to find out the third year's interest also. So, third year's interest. Third year's interest is equal to, what is the formula? PRT divided by 100. So, what is the principal? 8,816 into R. What is the rate? Rate is 12% into 1 year divided by 100. So, is equal to 8,816 into 12 by 100. 1057.92. You have to multiply this and then divide, or you can do cancellation method. Okay. So, rupees 1057.92, that is 92 paise. Third year's interest is equal to rupees 1057.92. Now, we have to find out how much should he pay at the end of 3 years. So, amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. Amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. At the end of 3 years is equal to, what is amount? Amount is equal to principal plus interest. A is equal to P plus I, right? So, here this is the amount is equal to P plus I. What is the principal? Third year's principal is equal to 8,816 plus I, that is interest. Third year's interest is equal to 1057.92. So, children, here place value has very important role. So, here this is paise, this is rupees only. 8,816 is rupees. Here 1057 rupees and this is paise. So, we have to put 2 zeros here. Then 2, 9. What is 6 plus 7? 13. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9,873.92, right, is equal to, this is 92 paise, right. If it is more than 50 paise, you can round up to 1 rupee. Okay. So, this will become 1 rupee. So, it will become 9874. So, rupees 9874. So after 3 years, Thomas has to pay rupees 9874. In between, after 2 years, he paid 10,000, right? So after 3 years, he has to pay rupees 9874. Is this clear, children? Children, one more question is there in the textbook, that is third question. Do it as homework. So children, question number 1 and 3 are homework. This is very important chapter. You have to learn this thoroughly. Okay, and this is related to our daily life, right? So if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, so children, this is the end of our today's session. We will meet you in the next class, that is in 2021. So wish you all a very happy new year. Bye.